Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I created this smoky eye and red lips makeup look. So guys, if you want to see a tutorial on how I created this makeup look, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So for my primer, I'll be making use of Nivea Men Post Shave Balm as my primer. Okay guys, after in which I will be making use of my foundation, which is classic makeup foundation. Okay guys, and as well, now I'm blending out my foundation using a foundation makeup blending brush. Okay guys, okay, I'm going to blend the other part of my face outside the camera. Okay, and now making use of a concealer, I'll be making use of a concealer as my highlighter in order to highlight my face underneath my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, okay guys, my cupid bow, and also my eyelid. So guys, right now I'm as well contouring my face using a cream contour stick. Okay guys, don't worry, the link to most of the product I use in this tutorial will be in the description box. Also guys, now I'm about to blend out my highlights making use of a beauty blender. The link also will be in the description box. Okay guys, and I'm blending out my lid at the same time. So guys, now I'll be as well be blending out the contour I contoured on my face. Okay, I'm just going over the areas I contoured and I'm blending it upwards. Okay guys, to set my face, I'll be making use of a translucent powder in order to set my face. Okay guys, and also to set my highlights. And also to contour my face, I'll be making use of this contour powder. Okay, just to go over the areas I contoured using this contour powder in order to set it. And now for my eyebrow, I'll be making use of this brow gel. Okay, so guys, the first thing first, you're going to line your lower part of your brow, then you're going to line the upper part and fill it in. Okay, and then making use of a concealer and a small concealer brush, I'm just going to go over the eyebrow in order to clean it up. So guys, I'll be making use of this color here as my transition color for my eyes. Okay, and I'm just building up the color. After in which I'll be making use of this black gel liner. Okay, because we'll be creating a smoky eye look. Okay guys, I'm making use of the black gel liner. Okay, I'm applying it on my lid using a flat brush, after in which I went in with a black eyeshadow. Okay guys, in order to set it. And right now I'm making use of a pencil brush in order to blend out the edges. Okay, so guys, now I'm making use of a brown eyeshadow color in order to give it that smoky brown eye smoky eye effect, after in which I go over back using the first transition color I used to blend out the edges. And so guys, now I'm going to apply some mascara and then some lashes. Okay, and to highlight my face, I'll be making use of this highlight. Okay, to highlight. For my lips, I'll be making use of this red lip liner. Okay, in order to line my lips, after in which I as well used it to fill in my lips. Okay, and then for my lipstick, I'll be topping it up with this red lipstick. Okay, so guys, that is pretty much it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like. Also check out the video on how I created this crochet wig. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. I had fun creating this look and I hope you guys liked it as well. Bye.